What is up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna walk you through how to trim your fenders on a Jeep Wrangler. It could be a TJ, YJ, JK, JL, it doesn't matter, it is all the same. And just as an FYI, we are doing a headlight giveaway. We are giving away a brand new set of LED headlights. Stay tuned to the end of the video to hear more about that. Cutting your fenders is very easy to do. It only requires a couple tools such as a Dremel and tape. Both could be had for very cheap, and I'll include some links in the description to products that we used when we did ours. Anyone can go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't look good the first time around, you can always go ahead and edit it and make it look fine. So unfortunately, we already trimmed the fenders on our JK, and I don't anticipate myself trimming the fenders on our TJ. I can only walk you through it as opposed to showing you how it's done. Now fortunately, we've saved some clips of when we did it, so I'll go ahead and I'll play those and I'll walk you through it step by step. The very first thing you're going to want to do is tape off the part of the fender that you want to cut off. So some people like to cut off a lot of the fender, some people like to cut off a little bit of the fender. So you're just going to go ahead and tape off the part that you want to take. Now I recommend putting it right at the edge so you have a wide lip at the top when you get the job done. Make sure you're wearing your appropriate eye protection, and also cover anything else like your nose, your eyes, your head, your ears, whatever you don't want rubber pieces to hit. After you've gone ahead and taped off all four corners and it looks symmetric and even to you, go ahead and bust out the Dremel and begin cutting. Just cut slow and steady and follow your line. Try to keep it as straight as possible and take your time as you need. Once you trim the fender, there is the underlining parts underneath the fender, just depending on the model. You can just go ahead and get creative with this part using scissors or pliers to just break the plastic pieces off. Again, you could go ahead and just get creative. It doesn't really matter how you do this part. We ended up just cutting holes through things and zip tying it to the body, and it's been fine for a long time. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what you want to be seen or installed on our Jeeps. As Arlene said earlier, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So here's how you can get a pair of free 7-inch LED headlights for your Jeep or any other vehicle that accepts these style headlights. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and once we get to 500 subscribers, we're going to be picking one person at random, and we're going to send them a new set of 7-inch LED Jeep headlights. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you on our next video.